Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing another cash stuffing. So let's start. We have a 450 euro paycheck today. So we have 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s and 1s. We have a combination of real bills and placeholder bills because that's what I use in my binders. So yes, that's the cash tray full, and let's start with our cash envelopes as per usual. So I work with 3 cash envelopes. One of them is groceries and it's going to get 45, 20, 30, 40 and 5. I like to keep my crustier bills for cash envelopes because I usually spend those, and then my prettier bills into my sinking funds because I save those up. Then spending is going to get 30, which is 2 10s today and 2 5s. So 10, 20, 25 and 30. So that's in spending. I have to fold this in a way so I can close it. So dine out will get 70, which is a 20, 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 5s. 1, 2. So that's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, and 70 today. Dine out. Okay, and then buffer has 100, so we're not stuffing anything in there. That was for the cash envelopes. Now we move on to short-term sinking funds. This is our Johnny Cash binder, and clothing will be first, and it's gonna get a 10. And clothing has now 20, 30, 40, 45 clothing. Next is health, and it's going to get a 20, and we're putting that into dentist today. So we have 50, 100, 150, 200, 220 now with the one we added. So I don't count all the categories each paycheck, so I don't know the total amount here. Beauty is next, and it's going to get a 20, and I think I will actually put this in products. Maybe let's put this in products. So products now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. So that's in products, 75. Then we have travel, and we're putting 168. Actually, let's do travel after we do the savings challenge, because otherwise I have to come back for this. So let's leave this and we move on to, so gifts we're not stuffing. Rollover is going to get 25. So that we are stuffing. So rollover 25, and it now has 20, 30, 35 and 40. So 40. And then fun will be getting 15. And that is going into the winter category, and the total will be now in winter 100, 200, 3, no, 100, geez, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So an even 60 in winter. So I will leave this to the side, and then we're going to come back to travel. And then we are moving on to long-term sinking funds. And this is gonna be a small amount, but still something. So car will get 1. And then car will have a total of 150, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and 56. So 156 in car. Home will also going to get a 1. And the total will be 120, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 140, 141 in home. So 141. Emergency will get a 10. And this is our emergency fund. So now it has 1,000, 2,000, 2,000, 10, 20, 30, and 5. So 2,035. That's an emergency. And then savings is our little roll the dice challenge, where I roll the dice. We have a budget of 10, and we roll until we can't stuff anymore. So let's see how much we're adding today. We are adding 4. 2, that's 6. plus 4, so 10, so an even 10. So that's a 5 and 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we don't have to stuff any rollover into travel, which is usually what I do. So let me cross out. So I stuff 4, 2, that was 6, and another 4. So that was a total of 10. And now savings has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 105, 106, 7, 8, 9, 110, 111, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 119 in savings. Oh, I didn't put it in the right order. Okay, great. So now retirement is empty, stocks is empty, pets will also going to get a 1. And pets will have now, let me check, 120, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So 141 in pets. Technology will also get a 1. And now the total is 110, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So 126 in technology. And then weddings will also get a 1. And here we have 120, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. So 141 as well. And then babies will also get a 1. And that will finalize this binder for today. And we have now 120, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. So 141 as well in babies. So I think that's 4 envelopes that have 141 in total. And now let's go on to savings and miscellaneous. So we're actually not stuffing anything in this binder. So yes, so this binder is not getting stuffed today at all. So we move on right on to our A5 binder. We are stuffing 15 into 30 for 30. That's a fake 10 and a fake 5. And now the total will be 500, 700, 900, 950, 970, 990, 1000, 1010, 20, 25, 30, 35. So 1035 and 30 for 30. Great. And then we are stuffing 6 into subscriptions. And actually, I don't know where I want to stuff this. So let me stuff 1 into credit card, maybe. Yes. So credit card has now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let me exchange these ones to a 5. So credit card, and then I can distribute these. So 1, 2, 3, let's put into Spotify because that's another month. So Spotify now has 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we can stuff 1, 2 into transport. And then the total will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 in transport. Great. So that means we stuffed all envelopes in the subscription envelope. And now let's go back to travel and let's stuff the money we have left over. So we are stuffing 168 today. So 50, 100, 150, 160, 165, 166, 7, and 8. Great. So now let me put this all in order. We have a lot of bills in here. Okay. So now travel has, let's check. We have 50, 100, 50, 200, 50, 300, 350, 350 plus 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 in this envelope, so 471 plus the amount that we have in the Maldives one, which is 164. So in 164 plus, how much was it for? Oh my god, I don't remember. 303 plus 168 is, okay, 471 plus 164, 635 across both of our travel envelopes, which is crazy. We are moving on to our goals so fast. But yes, that was it for today's cash stuffing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I will be back very soon with more videos. At the end of the year, we have a lot of videos coming up: a cash condensing, an extra side hustle paycheck stuffing. We have a setting up our budget for 2023, which is going to be a very long video because a lot of changes are coming into my budget and my budgeting system. So yeah, I will be back soon. Stay tuned for all of those videos, and I hope you enjoy this one. I wish you a very wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.